All right, what's up, guys? So we are here with the 2020 Ford Tremor. We have installed the alternative to the worn winch kit. This one's using a Badland APEX 12,000 pound synthetic line winch. We're gonna go ahead and show you that real quick. Installed, beautiful hook. Here's how you engage the free spool. And she's tucked up in that stock location where the Ford Performance winch would be if this truck was so optioned with. But because it's not, we went ahead and put the alternative winch on there, and we are going to real quick go ahead and pull a truck, because you know that was the test that Ford Performance did, right? They hooked it up to a cab. Well, I think we should one-up them just a little bit. How about a cab, a tractor, sleeper this time, with a loaded trailer? So let's go ahead and engage the free spool and hook this bad boy up. So we're gonna reach in here, kick that over to free spool, grab our hook. Up. Engage our winch. And we're going to go ahead and release the brakes on this truck. Brakes are released. Now this winch does have the wireless option here. And turn it on. We got a red light. And we're gonna go ahead and suck it up. We got tension on the line. Let's go ahead and bring this thing forward. All right, we're gonna let it rest for a moment. So just for clarification, this Tremor here, this is a 2020 F250 Tremor. This truck does have the 6.7 liter diesel. It is equipped with a 397 amp alternator. It is equipped with a dual battery. But as you can see, no problem at all pulling this load. And I think we just one-upped the Ford Performance guys. Let's give it one more quick pull. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and set the brakes. I'll show you real quick that no one's in this truck. This is not staged at all. There is no driver in this truck. I'm gonna go ahead and set these brakes real quick. winch out, get some slack in the line, and we're gonna go ahead and disconnect it. And we're gonna go ahead and suck this guy back up. All right, winch in. There you go. Badland, Harbor Freight on a Tremor with the alternative winch kit. If you're interested in this winch kit, go ahead and check out gormantechservices.com/winch. That's gormantechservices.com/winch. Right now, have them online available. They are in stock, ready to roll. If you have any questions, let me know.